Okay, so there. Good day everyone. So andito ako ngayon, nag-watch lang. Tumitingin-tingin sa ating dagat ngayon at malinaw na malinaw dito sa San Jose ang ating dagat ngayon. So there. Okay. Good morning, Day. Good morning. Okay, so yan. Tingnan nyo. So, there. So, nag-watch lang. Okay, at hinay-hinay na. Naglakad-lakad. Okay, so there. And the sun is up. So, mayroon pang dito. Talisay. Okay, mayroon talisay dito. Parang talisay beach ito. Kasi daming talisay dito. Okay, so that's it. Okay, just enjoying the day. Enjoy watching and enjoy life. Okay. Enjoy life to the fullest. Okay, and vitamin D naman ito. Lakad-lakad. Enjoying the sea. Malinaw na malinaw ang ating dagat ngayon. So there. So punta naman ako doon. Hinay-hinay lang sa paglalakad. Okay, there. So very nice ang ating dagat. Oh, I love to swim. So thank you for watching, guys. God bless. Okay, bye for now.